back to the channel. In this video, explain 2NUMBER mobile app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with the breakdown and the downside about this platform. The 2NUMBER app lets users get a second number on their smartphone for calling and texting, ideas for business, dating, or keep work and personal life separate. It supports international number, voicemail, and call recording. The app is easy to set up, allow you to pick custom number from different countries. It's helpful for people who need a temporary or alternative number without buying a second SIM card or phone. However, there are a few downsides about the platform. Some users report issues with dropped calls, lost messages, or being charged unexpectedly. Others mention troubles with customer support and problem restoring access if the app is deleted or reinstalled. Still, 2NUMBER is worth it if you need a second number quickly or extra features like voicemail, call recording. Just make sure to read the subscription terms carefully before committing. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this second number mobile platform. And that's it.